How to do and where to find this Add Yours viral trend here. Post a random picture or have a bad December Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and you have to click on the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. Now from this place you will have to go to December Add Yours. So you have to go here on December Add Yours highlight. Now you have to tap until you find your desired sticker, which is here. If the highlights are not loading, don't worry, because I have a YouTube tutorial to help you with this problem in the description box below, so make sure to check that. Click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you cannot click on the Add Yours button, if you are not able, you will find a YouTube tutorial in the description box below also for this problem. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a random picture. I will go with this one right here. Then you just have to share this with your friends. So guys, if you have any questions, any problems, please comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, so you can turn on the notification bell and you will be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.